Good afternoon and Haryum to everyone. We are so happy and excited to announce the launching of our new venture, Chinmaya Dhwani, the radio program. I am Krishna Priya of 8B, thrilled to be the RJ of today's program. We have some amazing segments lined up for you all. To begin with, as you all know that we were observing the sacred month dedicated to the recitation and reflection upon the Ramayana. Today is the last day of the Ramayana month. Manjushri of class 10A is going to render the verses from the Ramayana.
രാമായണ പാരായണം. ശാരിക പൈതലേ ചാരുശീലേ വരികാരോമലേ കഥാ ശേഷവും ചൊല്ലു നീ ചൊല്ലുവനെങ്കിലനംകാരി ശങ്കരൻ വല്ലഭയോടരുൾ ചെയ്ത പ്രകാരങ്ങൾ കല്യാണശീലൻ ദശരഥസൂനു കൗസല്യാതനയന വരജൻ തന്നോടും പമ്പാസരസ്തടം ലോകമനോഹരം സംപ്രാപ്യ വിസ്മയം പൂണ്ടരുളീടിനാൻ ക്രോശമാത്രം വിശാലം വിശദാമൃതം ക്ലേശവിനാശനം ജന്തുപൂർണസ്തദം ഉൾഫുല പദ്മ കലഹാര കുമുദനി ലോൽപല മണ്ഡിതം ഹംസകാരണ്ഡവാ ಷಡ್ಪದ ಕೋಕಿಲ ಕೂಕುಡ ಕೋಯಷ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ಪಸಿಂಹ ವ್ಯಾಘ್ರ ಸುಕರ ಸೇವಿತಂ. ನನ್ನಿ.
Thank you, Manjushri. You really took me to the spiritual divinity. Isn't it, my dear friends? Our next item is the light music. Do you know who's going to perform? It's Anvita S. Rao from class 9C.
ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕೆನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಮ, ನಿನ್ನಷ್ಟು ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯು ಎಲ್ಲಿಹುದು ರಾಮ. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕೆನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಮ, ನಿನ್ನಷ್ಟು ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯು ಎಲ್ಲಿಹುದು ರಾಮ. ರಾಮ 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 ರಾಮ. ನಿನ್ನಿಷ್ಟದಂತೆನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಟಿರುವೆ ರಾಮ, ನನ್ನಿಷ್ಟದಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವೆ ರಾಮ. ಕಷ್ಟಗಳ ಕೊಡಬೇಡ ಎನ್ನಲಾರೆ ರಾಮ, ಕಷ್ಟ ಸಹಿಸುವ ಸಹನೆ ಕೊಡು ನನಗೆ ರಾಮ. ಕಷ್ಟ ಸಹಿಸುವ ಸಹನೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ರಾಮ, ಕಷ್ಟ ಸಹಿಸುವ ಸಹನೆ ನಿನ್ನಷ್ಟು ರಾಮ. ರಘುರಾಮ 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 ರಾಮ, ರಘುರಾಮ 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 ರಾಮ. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕೆನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಮ, ನಿನ್ನಷ್ಟು ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯು ಎಲ್ಲಿಹುದು ರಾಮ. ರಾಮ 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 ರಾಮ. ಕೌಸಲ್ಯಯಾಗುವೆನು ಮಡಿಲಲಿರು ರಾಮ, ವೈದೇಹಿಯಾಗುವೆನು ಒಡನಾಡು ರಾಮ. ಪಾದುಕೆಯ ತಲೆಯಲಿಡು ಭರತನಾಗುವೆ ರಾಮ, ಸಹವಾಸ ಕೊಡು ನನಗೆ ಸೌಮಿತ್ರಿ ರಾಮ. ಸುಗ್ರೀವನಾಗುವೆನು ಸ್ನೇಹ ಕೊಡು ರಾಮ, ಭರತನಾಗುವೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಸೇವೆ ಕೊಡು ರಾಮ. ರಘುರಾಮ 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 ರಾಮ, ರಘುರಾಮ 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 ರಾಮ. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕೆನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಮ, ನಿನ್ನಷ್ಟು ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯು ಎಲ್ಲಿಹುದು ರಾಮ. ರಾಮ 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 ರಾಮ.
We just finished celebrating our Independence Day yesterday. Do you think our patriotism is limited to that particular day? No, never. Now, the next segment which is lined up is a patriotic song by Vaiga Pramod and group.
La 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 la. Pani ga sani magari ni pa magari sani da pani da pa magari sa. ए मेरे वतन वतन वतन, ए मेरे वतन हमको तेरी कसम, जान लुटा देंगे हम, सर कटा देंगे हम, तू ही मेरा सनम. ला 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 ला. ए मेरे वतन हमको तेरी कसम, जान लुटा देंगे हम, सर कटा देंगे हम, तू ही मेरा सनम. तुझको चाहा तुझको पूजा मेरे हिंदुस्तान, तुझ पे जान कुर्बान हो. ए मेरे वतन हमको तेरी कसम, जान लुटा देंगे हम, सर कटा देंगे हम, तू ही मेरा सनम. ला 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 ला. नदियों के दारू ऊंचे पहाड़ तेरा श्रृंगार है, महके फिजान जन्नत के राह जैसा तेरा प्यार है. हो नदियों के दारू ऊंचे पहाड़ तेरा श्रृंगार है, महके फिजा जन्नत के राह जैसा तेरा प्यार है. तू मेरी शान है, मेरे पहचान है, मेरे दम से दम तू है मेरा सनम. हो ए मेरे वतन हमको तेरी कसम, जान लुटा देंगे हम, सर कटा देंगे हम, तू ही मेरा सनम. ला 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 ला. मितना वतन पर मेरा करम है, देश ही मेरा दीन धर्म है, इसकी मिट्टी में मिल जाना ये भी जन्नत से क्या कम है. इसके लिए हर बार जन्म लो, तू ही मेरा सनम. ला 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 ला. ए मेरे वतन हमको तेरी कसम, जान लुटा देंगे हम, सर कटा देंगे हम, तू ही मेरा सनम, तू ही मेरा सनम, तू ही मेरा सनम.
My heart filled with joy and pride for our nation. Isn't it true, my dear friends? Every day we were eager to hear the happy news of winning medals at Olympics. We tuned to the news with a hope. You're going to listen to the updates on Indian participants winning the medals. We have Arjun of class 12 for those updates.
Good afternoon, all. We all know about the modern Olympics. The modern Olympics is the world's leading international sporting event. They feature all the summer and winter sports competitions where thousands of athletes around the world participate. Now let us talk about our country. With a large population, we finished 71st position, which we are very proud of. Talking about the medals, India won 6 medals, which is 1 silver and 5 bronze, and finished the Paris 2024 Olympics. The bronze medals were backed by Manu Bhaker for pistol shooting, Sarabjot Singh for pistol shooting in team, Swapna Kausali for rifle shooting, and of course we even placed third playing our national game, the hockey. And Aman Sehrawat in wrestling also won the bronze medal. And the only silver medal was won by the man which was hyped by all India, the man himself, Neeraj Chopra, for javelin throw. Overall, this year our team finished with 71st position, and if you're talking about the first 5, the team with the most medals is the USA with 126, followed by China with 91 medals, and Japan and Australia with 45 and 53 medals each. Now, the most highlighted moments of this Olympics were that Tom Cruise handed the Olympic flag to LA, closing Paris Games. US beat France by just 1 point to clinch the women's basketball gold. Now, Japan is unexpected because Japan struck 8 gold medals in wrestling titles. All the 8 titles were backed by Japan. Relay was also quite surprising as the Jamaican speed is no more to be seen as they did not even qualify for the relay heats or the 100-meter sprints. USA did not even make it to the top 3. This is all for today. With this, I wind up.
Now, we have a treat that's sure to bring a smile to your face. Up next is a mimicry performance by one of our talented students, that is Vishnu Prasad GB from class 9C, who can capture voices and personalities like no other. So sit back and let's see if you can guess who is being imitated.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, today I am going to do the mimicry of some birds and some voice actors who were very famous. So, first of all, the mimicry of koel, which you normally when you were walking in the road, you can see the koel. So, like its sound is very sweet. It is like so, like, isn't it real? So, its sound is very nice. Although it seems like its color is black, its sound is very nice. So, next is of the peacock. Next is of the cat. When the cat is very worried about its kittens, when the cat gives birth to the kittens and it is very worried about that someone may attack it, so it's like ow, 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 ow. So, and now next one is the kitten. When the kitten starts crying, it is like thank you.
Hope all my friends enjoyed today's amazing programs. Next Friday we'll come up with more fun and frolics. This is Krishna Priya RJ wrapping up. Thank you.